Hello, Americans and other friends and subscribers around the world. So, it's the Sunday. Elk season opened on Tuesday. It's now Sunday afternoon. And we passed probably, what, six different Flatlander rigs and stuff going out. And as you can see over here, look at that, baby. Well, FIREWOOD. Ready for the tape. Alright, so what? Oh, first of all, look at that. See, so we'll pick up all that crap too. I don't know why they couldn't just throw that in the bag. But anyway, so the plan was to, which our plans always change, but we were going to go fishing today after we got some stuff listed. Kai, stop. And I could tell Miss Kitty was having a little bit of an anxiety. And I didn't know for sure if it was, there's a spot right on that.
You got it?
I just smeared it.
Here, hold on.
Smeared it.
Pardon us.
Alright, that's better. It's gone.
I can't tell.
But, so we were going to go fishing. You know, and take the Lady Hawk, go out and camp out. And there's some more pools and stuff over there too. I could tell Miss Kitty was having a little bit of anxiety. I thought it was more for work and stuff, but so then we were talking and decided, oh, we better check. Let's see what the weather, you know, that could be what it's supposed to do, you know, if it's supposed to be nice like it is today out here in, man, short sleeves and stuff, you know, if they're predicting, because it can always change. So then she looks, and Sunday next week, high is 39, and the lows are down in the 20s to the teens. So we decided
getting firewood today.
We decided, and then I also told Miss Kitty, I was like, well, man, everybody that went up elk hunting, you know, because they'll take the week off, you know, and come up early. It opened on Tuesday, and then they leave, you know, Sunday afternoon, which is now, and that's when you go out, go camp jumping, and, you know, get me some FIREWOOD. So I got a pretty good load so far. I'm gonna load up these, maybe. Oh, maybe not.
Is it green?
Maybe not too bad. It's pretty heavy. Nice.
That one doesn't look like it'll split very well.
Which one? This one?
No, the one you left.
Should I just leave it?
It looks pretty.
Yeah, we don't want a bunch of big hoorah. Alright, go check out. We're going to check out those. Then we're going to pull down to another spot. I actually brought the saw we were planning on, you know, obviously we'll cut some too, unless we fill the truck up with FIREWOOD. I love that. I love that name for it.
Me too.
Alright, so we'll check in here in a bit. Alright, so we got half a load. Half a load of the FIREWOOD, and then we were going to go do some more camp jumping, and out of the blue, I don't really know how, but we ended up service, and Miss Kitty got a text, and Katie and Tim and the babies were gonna go up the other mountain on the other side. And then when they heard we were up here, because I told them we were coming up to one of our spots that I told them about. There's a bunch of downwood where we actually took you guys last time, that new road. So then she got a text that said they'd changed it and they were going to come up here. So then I figured we better go up where I told them they're going to be if they're coming up, so we can find them. So now we're headed up, but we got a half load. There's a little road right here. Got a half load of stuff, and I'm sure we don't get stuck in the mud. What in the heck is that?
Somebody camouflaged it with a
yeah, I think it's hay. It is bell hay. Is that their camouflage? That's funny, man.
That's funny.
Hey, messing with it. Is that really camouflaged? That silver thing around the sun hits that, it glows. But there's some bells of hay under there. So they might be coming I mean, there's a good chance Forest Service barnacle.
Right.
Well, no, they wouldn't.
I don't know. Hard to say what
I don't
it's
think they
there
would
for.
have covered it. That's funny. It's hay. I mean, it's
Yeah.
or not hay. It's straw, not hay.
Oh, it's strong.
Yeah. Maybe for spreading up here.
Maybe so.
Just leave that alone. We'll just leave that alone there. Go up here. We got last time kind. This is definitely muddier than it was. So anyway, we're still planning on hopefully getting our finishing up, getting as much of the wood in, at least in on the ground at the homestead, even if it's not split. They're also calling, when I was talking about those temps, they're also calling for rain snow mix. So I mean, it's this close. And that's what happened last year. Is we planned on getting wood into, because up here, I don't know how it works everywhere else, but up here we do buy permits, for national forest land, and you can cut wood on the national forest until November 30th. And usually, I mean, we were going to make a tradition of it, and it kind of went out the window last year because I don't think there was so much, or you couldn't get up there. There was so much snow on the ground on the 1st of November that we never did. The year before that, we were up on Thanksgiving. That was the tradition.
It was fun.
Yeah, it was a blast, man. It was actually, the weather that day was about like this.
Yeah.
That was 2 years ago. Well, almost 2 years ago. But anyway, so man, you just gotta, when you live up like we do, you want to make sure. And every year I said, man, I'm going to get my wood in early next year. But it's nice being up in the fall. It's so beautiful. But anyway, so we're still planning on, I say that a lot. Anyway. So I get sidetracked. It's Miss Kitty's fault. But we're still, still planning and hoping to go up and do a little fishing. Not today, but the next few days. But then I'll feel a lot better when we have all our wood.
Yeah.
But still, man, I gotta get, which is a lot of the stuff that I have to do, even if there was a little bit of snow, I can do.
You still do it.
Yeah, 'cause, I've got to get the roof over I almost had a roof over my blacksmith shop till Miss Kitty tore it apart.
Right.
This is where we cut that one.
Yeah.
We're actually going up here farther than I thought we were going.
Yeah, I don't want to go. This is where the mud
That
bog
big
is.
mud hole
Yeah.
is. Did you see any?
Did I see any wood?
Yeah,
A ton of it.
Well, why didn't you say something?
Well, because you were talking.
Well, that's because I'm out on a Sunday drive doing a video. What are you doing? I'm going to take you through that big mud bog.
Let's try to have some.
Yes?
Yeah.
Well, that one up here is, there's that one log's uncut. That's why I cut him last time. I don't know about that, Miss Kitty. I don't know about anybody. Is that better than it was?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, there we go.
Maybe not, huh?
Yeah, maybe not. That ain't bad. This other section was more of the concern, wasn't it?
I thought it was that one right there.
If it is, then we can get them ones. This is the ones I was going to tell Tim about.
Yeah.
No, this is the one I was talking about.
Okay,
This
yeah,
is the
let's
one
not
we
go
had.
through that.
Yeah, that's the one we had at Dukes of Hazzard.
Yeah, let's not go through that.
Oh, Miss Kitty.
Okay. Okay, we'll check back in. What you got there, Kai?
Drop it. Put down. Sit down. Right there. Come here. Come here. No. No. You didn't want to dive off.
No, I don't think he did.
So I just had to share, man. It is just, man, amazing up here today. Just amazing. amazing, quiet, and just, man, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. It starts making me and Miss Kitty, oh, this one. Yeah. So awesome. But, and knowing here in the next couple of weeks, there's a good chance that, come here, put it down, sit down, drop it, hey, put it down, put it down. Come here. No, no, you let go.
I think he's showing off for the camera.
Anyway, to know that here real soon we won't be able to come back up here for a few months. All right, I'm going up there. Let's finish off this load, and kids should be getting up here pretty quick.